Welcome to one more video of market analysis, primarily Bank Nifty. So let's do a weekly analysis of Bank Nifty. So on a monthly chart, we are seeing that last week it was kind of sideways, but this month it started showing that it's again started following an uptrend. Right, so that's how the monthly analysis talks about. So we are still in the uptrend, nothing negative from a monthly 5,000 feet above. Now let's go to a weekly chart. Now weekly chart is confusing. Now last week it was showing in hammer, right? And this week it's a doji pattern. Doji means the wherever it opened it closed at approximately at the same point. So that's called doji pattern. So it's doji. So it's showing uptrend, but weekly it's showing doji. So it's confusing as of now. Hopefully this should go up for next week. So let's go to the daily chart. So when we move to the daily chart, it's an uptrend. Only yesterday or day before yesterday it was a negative candle, but still in the uptrend. So till the time it doesn't break 47,700, right? Almost 1,500 points here, and it's in the uptrend, and the above is 49,000, so it will range around that. So 49,000 is uptrend. Let's see what happens. So market is in the uptrend, bit confusing on a weekly trend doji, so it's wait and watch as to how the market move towards. That's it, I think, from the weekly trend analysis perspective. Nothing major this week, right? So we have to play day by day basis, but the trend is uptrend. Okay, guys, have a nice weekend then. Take care. Bye.